finally came. Really looking forward to getting this thing installed. It's from Corbeau seats. I've got the driver's seat installed already. I've had it for a handful of months, taken it to a couple of autocross events, and man, it's made a world of difference. And it's really cool to look back at the old videos of me in the passenger seat of the stock seat and how you slide around, and then getting put into the Corbeau Forza seat. Really plants you in there, and it's going to look really cool. Just all complete passenger and driver seat put together. We're also going to be installing some 5-point quick release cam lock harnesses as well. So we're going to get to it. What we have here, I'll unwrap it, but it's the passenger sliding frame. That is an extra option. It's specifically for the second gen Camaro. I can't remember specifically what year. I think it's 70 to 81. I think it's more of the later second gens. Anyhow. Yep, top. So this frame, same one I had for the driver's side. What I noticed is I was sitting a little too high. I'm not very tall, but sitting too high on the driver's side, so I took the slider out and just installed the actual, I guess the mounting frame directly to the seat. I'm going to do that right away rather than putting the slider on. I don't really get too many passengers in the car. So if I get, I guess we'll see. If the majority of my passengers are over 6 foot and it becomes a problem, then I'll consider putting on the slider, but I think there should be plenty of legroom. Now for the best parts. Hell yeah. Oh, what? Oh, wait. The pad just came undone. All right, here she is. Cool, well, let's get this thing installed. We're gonna go to a time lapse because it's too freaking hot and I need a fan.
right, the seat's 75% installed. I could not find another bolt that fits, so for now it's in there in position. So what I'm going to do next is get the belts installed and aligned. On a time crunch. I leave here tomorrow to go out of town for work. So what I'm going to do is, while I'm gone, order some grade 8 bolts that just will actually replace all of them on both sides, just to allow for more secure install to the seat. So cool. We're gonna install these belts. Again, I'll put you on the time lapse. So we got the seat finally installed. As you can see here, belts and everything are put in. We're ready to go autocrossing. Really almost ready to go autocrossing. As I mentioned previously, need to get some bolts to bolt the rest of the seat in. Just didn't have anything long enough, so I'm just going to replace them with some real nice grade 8 bolts, just to be safe. A couple things I want to do. You can kind of see it's not exactly level, so I'd like to explore options for maybe a spacer to kick this side up just a little bit. Do a couple things, because I think get it further away from the door panel. So right now it hits, but I think that'll be all right. It's just flexing the door panel. It's not actually touching the door. But I think if I got a spacer, bring it up maybe a 1/2 inch, this would kind of move away, and then it would level out, be level with the other seat. It's probably because I had to replace all the floor pans when I was in high school and I didn't do a good job. So that's probably the reason. Anyhow, next stop, the autocross course. We're all ready to go. Honestly, this car is where I want it to be. There's not much else that I need to do. Brakes eventually, but right now this thing is turnkey, and I just freaking love it. So hopefully you guys catch some videos here in the future as we take this thing to the autocross course. Thanks.